Are you ready to learn to dance Sevillanas, the folkloric dance from Sevilla? This dance is 4 coplas, or 4 sections of a choreography that's danced in couples. This tutorial here is for the pasada step, the passing step. If you want to learn the paseillo, the Sevillana step, there's a link below to that video. But these tutorials here are part of the Online Flamenco Studio course of Traditional Sevillanas. So you can also find a link below for your free 10-day trial. So let's begin. So let's go over the pasada step, the passing step. So each copla, is divided into 3, and the little connecting points are the Sevillana step and a pasada. So, or pasada Sevillana step. Always, always, always. So the passing step, you'll be passing your partner at some point during the pasada step. So what you want to do, the pasada step is just basically left, right, kick, walk, walk, walk. Now when you walk, you need to be able to go around your partner. So you cannot go left, right, swing, boom. Because if you're dancing with a partner, you're going to knock into your partner right there. You'll learn it really fast. So again, we have left, right, kick. Now bring that foot down, and walk, walk, walk. Okay, so again, that would be left, right, kick, walk, walk, walk. And then from here, you go into the Sevillana step, starting on your right. Right, left, together, step, come around. Now let's practice that pasada again. Left, right, kick, walk, around, stop, and now we go into the Sevillana step. Sevillana, step, come around. So again, we have left, right, kick, walk, 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 and now we'll go to the Sevillana step. Right, left, together, step, come around. And again, left, right, kick, walk, 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 Sevillana, step, come around. Now, you're not doing this particular sequence over and over and over and over and over again. You're just doing that particular sequence in between the sections of the copla. All right, now let's try it one more time, and then we'll add arms. And again, if you're not ready for arms, keep your hands on your hips. So we have, the pasada always starts on the 4. So 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, and we know that the Sevillana step also starts on the 4. 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Pasada, walk, walk, walk. Sevillana, step, come around. Pasada, walk, walk, walk. Sevillana, step, come around. All right, now with the arms, for the pasada step, you're going in with the hands. So the arms are out by your side. In and open. Okay, so in and open. Left, right, kick. So when you kick, you bring your arm up. Left, right, kick. Left, right, kick. Walk, walk, walk. You slowly bring that arm up, and then Sevillana step. Left arm down. Come around. Now open up the arms. Left, right, kick, walk, arms up, up, left arm down, ba, ba, da, da. Left, right, kick, walk, walk, walk. Sevillana, step, come around. Left, right, open. Walk, walk, walk. Sevillana, step, come around. Okay, so let's practice that with the copla. With the first one, we'll do it with our hands on our hips. Second one, we'll add our arms. And again, if the arms get too complicated, just keep your hands on your hips until you get that muscle memory with your feet. Let's go. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to start with Sevillana step. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Pasada, walk, walk, walk. Sevillana, pasada, walk, walk, walk. Sevillana, pasada, walk, walk, walk. Sevillana, pasada. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sevillana, step, pasada.
No te vayas todavía,
Sevillana,
por favor, no te vayas todavía, que hasta la guitarra mía llora cuando dice adiós.
The end. All right, now let's add the arms.
Pañuelo de
4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Sevillana. Hey, and open. Walk, walk, walk. Sevillana.
Pañuelo de silencio a la hora de partir.
Left arm down.
Pañuelo de silencio a la hora de partir. Porque hay palabras que hieren y no se deben decir.
Right, left, tap.
Porque hay palabras que hieren y no se deben decir.
Sevillana.
No te vayas todavía, no te vayas por favor, no te vayas todavía. Que hasta la guitarra mía llora cuando dice adiós.
Thanks for taking this lesson with me. I hope you enjoyed it. And remember, it's one of the first lessons inside the course of Traditional Sevillanas that is inside my Online Flamenco Studio. Now that studio is a membership, a monthly membership with over 60 courses in choreographies, technique, and flamenco theory for brand new beginners all the way through advanced dancers, and also has a wonderful, vibrant community, practice calendars, community challenges, live Q&As, and more. So please join us there. You can click here for your free 10-day trial. Thanks for joining me. Until next time.